Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday band, you can now make a wish
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
and then blow your candle. A big round of applause please to our birthday boy, Banban. We're going to have a photo opportunity with the celebrant. Thank you, Zanaya. Next we have Yani Abisanes. Next in line we have Erin. Next we have Aliana Salgado. Next, Chai Chai Duranto. Lastly, we have G. Thank you so much, girls. You take a photo opportunity with. A round of applause once again to them, please. Thank you, boys. Next. Alyssa Simpson. Next we have Chilami Montero. Wow, daming fans. Last but not the least, Cristel Brasiliano. Ang daming mga fans ah.
Happy birthday, Van. Wish you good health and you may grow up with the love of God and maging ano ka kay God, God-fearing child. Follow your dreams and most especially for your parents. Happy birthday.
Of his life. To begin with, let me welcome teacher Rev Elias.
When I look back the time when Van is not even 2 years old when he came into my life, to look and I look after him, and now he's 7. So, Van, because you are special to me, I decided to give you a gold. Did you hear me, Van? Yeah, this is a gold box. No. Gold-plated watch. And watch represent hope, so you can cherish the time. Remember the saying, time is gold. So here's your gold, then. Happy birthday.
Short but concise. Thank you so much, Ate. Next we have Emelinda Las.
There's Van inside. Mike, you need to see and you need to cultivate something, okay? As you grow up, you will learn everything. Be a good boy always. Love you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday. Thank you for inviting us. Yeah. Wishing you good birthdays to come, okay? Be good all the time. Red ba? Only financially, but in all other aspects of his life. To offer these bills, allow me to welcome these big-hearted and noble ladies, starting off with Romeline Lawson. A round of applause, please. Evelyn Luban. Divina Gonzalez. Next in line, we have Margie Bautista.
Bali po din yan magaling sa kanina pa, marami yan. Marami naman yan.
Next, we have Cheryl Castle.
Yay! 1 million yan. Kalahati ng skill rock. Yay! Kalahati ng skill rock. Ayan, ipunin mo yan.
Last but Carlo.
Yay! Pangalawa sa skill rock. Kala nyo ha?
Kala nyo, ha?
Kala nyo ha?
Okay, pwede mo ba doon sa gitna para po sa photo opportunity? Hati ko para mabalance.
Ayan.